Messages. Clicking on Messages will show us messages from our care manager, practitioner, or anyone else on our care team. To send them a message or to receive a message and view it, click on the person's name. Here we can view messages we have received. We can also give an emoji, like a smiley face, which is really fun. This works just like the text message in your phone. We can type our message down here. If we click here and we type in hello, we can send a message. Excellent, hello. I can also search for keywords here. So if your care manager or doctor spoke about something in text messages and you don't remember exactly what they said, but you remember the keyword, you can type that keyword in here and it'll pull up every instance of when they said that word. You can click X to get out of that area. Additionally, if we click the plus button, we can send them a picture, a document, or choose from pictures in our gallery. So if we have maybe a wound or some sort of thing that we'd like to take a picture of to send to our care manager or doctor, we can do that here by opening up the camera. We could also choose through photos or any documents that we've saved, like documents we've exported from the Healthwell Safe Patient app. We can then choose and then send those to them. Let's click back to go back. Same thing with the care manager. I can send them messages. I can send them a photograph I've taken instantly, or a document, or photographs I've taken in the past. Click back.